Debt isn't just money, it's a magical sword. It lets you strike with the power of your future self today, but a blade doesn't care who it cuts. This is good debt. Used as a lever, it helps you conquer assets that grow. A mortgage builds a home, a business loan builds an empire. The sword pays for itself. But then, there's bad debt. Using the sword for things that lose value, like that fancy car or a vacation you can't afford. Now the magic is gone. The sword is just heavy. High interest debt is a double-edged blade. Every month you don't pay it off, the sword bites back. It drains your mana, your cash flow, until you're too weak to move forward. The danger? The debt spiral. When you use one sword to pay for another, you aren't a warrior anymore. You're a prisoner of your own weaponry. The secret to wealth? Don't fear the sword. Master it. Use it to build, not to consume. Because in the game of finance, the blade should work for you,